मायापुर नहीं आती तो I could never experience the magic of pure Sadhvik खाना. So it was day 2 in Mayapur and clearly it was an eating edition. दिन का शुरुआत होता है अमूल राजभोग कुल्फी आइसक्रीम से. After that for breakfast our destination was obviously Govindas. ISKCON से जुड़े लोगों को पता होगा but जिनको नहीं पता है let me tell you, Govindas is basically a chain of vegetarian restaurant which is operated by the International Society for Krishna Consciousness जो कि है ISKCON. तो हम जल्दी से रेडी होके पहुंच गए और उधर जाते ही मेरी आंख चमक उठी थी because there was each and every food item you could ever imagine of, like multiple tea, coffee, other beverages, dessert में cake, pastry, donut से लेके burger, pizza, pasta, sandwich, South Indian food, thalis and many more. But the food is not just food but has a extra divine touch in there because everything was firstly offered to Lord Krishna. So anything and everything in your plate considered as prasadam and I got lucky to have some of them. Ambience के बारे में I don't know what should I say but in one word it was a spiritually charged atmosphere. So ज़्यादा देर ना करके we got our breakfast जिसमें था पनीर पास्ता और वो इतना delicious था कि I could not resist and I had little extra than usual. And next we had rolls and it has another story because I thought it was a paneer roll but bite लेते ही I got to know that this was not a paneer roll because my friends got a normal veg roll and this was not that shocking. Shocking तो ये था that the roll was made of gobi. I mean there is barely anybody who can think about a roll with patta gobi but it was so filling and good. For dessert we had orange muffins and it was a clear winner because I love something in orange flavor so much and I had more than 5 or 6 of these muffins in last 2 days and मैं घर में भी कुछ लेके आई थी. After that हम बारिश में भीगते हुए टोटो से गौशाला पहुंचे and वहाँ का प्यारा सा दर्शन करके we had वहाँ का famous dahi and kheer. The dahi was little extra sweet but good and the kheer was amazing. Then हम थोड़ा इधर उधर घूमे, बारिश को enjoy किया and did little bit of shopping. So soon it was lunch time so we went for प्रसाद और उस दिन के प्रसाद में था राइस, कद्दू की सब्जी, दाल, पनीर एंड खीर. ट्रस्ट मी ये प्रसाद देखने में जितना सिंपल है ना इसका टेस्ट उतना ही डिवाइन था और जो प्रभु प्रसाद दे रहे थे फोन देख के उन्होंने वेब किया एंड दैट वाज सो स्वीट. इतने भक्तों के बीच में बैठ के प्रसाद पाने का जो फीलिंग था ना आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन इन वर्ड्स बट आई जस्ट नो दैट आई वांट टू गो अगेन एंड अगेन टू गेट दैट फीलिंग. सो या दैट वाज इट फॉर डे टाइम एंड फॉर डिनर वी हैड मायापुर का फेमस वेज बिरयानी जिसमें पनीर, कटहल और सोयाबीन रहता है एंड दैट वाज सो टेस्टी, इतना टेस्टी कि आई फॉरगॉट टू शूट. थैंक यू so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.